Okay, let's make some garlic toast together. Very easy recipe. All you need is some garlic, 10 to 15 cloves, up to you. If you have more, use more. Either chop it up finely, use the board and cleaver. I just blended it in the Cuisine Art mini blender. Blend it really fine and then mix it with half a stick of butter. The rule of the thumb is to make sure your butter and your garlic is nearly the same so that it can just coat it. The butter is coating the garlic, and then use a little tiny bowl like this so that there will be no messes, nothing spills out. This is all little tricks that I managed to make it more efficient and better. And it's a process that is very easy. No messes, easy. Garlic and half stick of butter, either salted or unsalted. Go ahead and mix it up. Make sure it's all distributed evenly, coated. Bottom needs to be melted. You can melt them for 30 seconds in a microwave for fast speed. And use the teaspoon. Scoop it up easily. And then put 2 or 3 scoops onto the bread. Start with 2 first. And then use the butter knife to spread it out evenly. Let me show you. We're gonna make 3 slices of garlic bread. One for you and one for me. And then we can enjoy breakfast together. So I'm gonna, spread it out. Make sure at the sides, all the sides will get some as well. It is the hardest to spread it on the side. So that's why I put this piece of paper underneath so that if you spill anything, all you have to do is crumble up that piece of paper and throw it out. Easy peasy. So spread evenly and then go to another slice and another slice. If you want to make it healthier, change the butter out and put olive oil. Olive oil and garlic works as well. See? Very easy. Okay, now it's ready in minutes, less than few minutes. I'm gonna just toast them in the air fryer. I'm using the Gourmet air fryer. 2 slices at the bottom part. So don't overlap. Try to use 2 slices in the bottom part. And they have the wire so that you can do another one on the top. But remember, the one that's on the top will take faster to cook. So you can put 5 minutes on 3 to 5 for toast, and then take out the first piece first. So you see it's cooking, and then now it's ready. Just so fast. This is your breakfast. You can eat it with latte. You can have a snack, or maybe even a lunch. Serve it with soup, some warm soup for your lunch. Very easy to make garlic bread at home. Okay, only 2 ingredients and 3 with the bread. So check this out, try it and see. Make sure the temperature suits your bread and go ahead and try. Now remember to comment below whether you like this recipe. Let me know. And share it with friends. Make sure they know how to do it easily. Like, share, and subscribe. Show some love. Subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes and also some difficult ones too. I'm trying to upload 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. For more ideas, if you like, give it a thumbs up. Press the bell sign above to get more uploads and notification on the new uploads. Let us get more videos out so that you can make healthy recipes for yourself. For now, guys,